Hi, I'm Chip Davis, Executive Vice President and founder of Moxey. This is the continuing series of Moxey instructional videos about the new Moxey software and app experience. One of the most common uses of the Moxey software and app is the search feature. We have thousands of businesses in the Moxey network, and members need to be able to find the products and services they need. So once you get to the app, you'll find that there are two main ways to conduct a search. The first is by clicking in this box right here and typing whatever it is that you're looking for. So I'm looking for pest control. I have some bugs at my house, and my wife says get rid of them. So you'll notice when I started typing, the adaptive text started looking for things within the database that would contain whatever it is that I'm typing. I can select any one of these. In this particular case, I'm just going to select the one at the top, which is the category search. And that brought up all of the pest control in the whole network, 34 results in this case. Now, it's searching right now by my location. You see where it says you right there? I can change the search to be by zip code or by metropolitan area if I wanted to look for a particular city if I didn't know the zip code, or I can use my location as it's currently doing, and as long as my geolocating is turned on my phone, I should be fine there. You will also notice that there's a long list, and I can go through that list that way, or I can hit the map right here, which would bring up a picture of the area. I can actually see the whole network right there, and I can zoom in and out on my phone, and you'll see these little numbers right here. Those are representing other types of members, and if I zoom in close enough, they'll show up as icons as well. And so I can move around and search whoever I want. I'm going to go back to the list to show you the second way in which you can search at the top up here. And so I typed in here to start off with, but you can also go through a category search. And you see those 7 categories listed right there. But if I was looking for more, I can go through this, and it's a big old long list of different things that we have available here. If I go back to the business products, home building and home services, I bet I will find pest control right there. And it would do the exact same search that I start off with. So if I click on any one of these categories in here, it's going to open it up. And in this case, I opened up Aero Pest Control, and you'll see that it has a little advertisement about them at the top and information about them. I can click on this and it'll call their number, or I can click on this and it'll open up an email to them, or I can click on this and it would allow me to share this this ad space with a friend. If I had someone say, hey, do you know a pest control company? I could open it up and share it right there and move them forward. It also allows me to go to their website or to their social media experience that they may have. Scrolling further down, there's a map here, which I can click on that to see where they are, or even put it in. If it's in my phone, I can open up directions how to get there. And then down below, it gives me a listing of members that are nearby this member. And if I were to click on any one of those, it would open up that member. But anyway, just giving you a quick idea of what it looks like within each one of those particular business types. Anyway, that's a quick little tour to the usage of the directory search. Play around with that and see what you find, but hope you enjoyed that, and look for more Moxey instructional videos. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.